Mitsy Kit Fleece Pillow Running Stitch Instructions. First, remove the elastic from your bundle of ribbon and take one of the 4 ribbon and lace it through the eye of your plastic needle. If you tilt your ribbon so that the point goes through first, it is helpful. Then loop that ribbon back through the front of the eye of the needle again and pull it tight to lock it in place. Now, you're going to lace your needle and ribbon top down through the corner hole by the sticker. Bring your ribbon through until you leave about a 6-inch tail on top. Then lace up and down through all the holes on one side until you reach the last hole before the next corner. Make sure you're lacing through both the front and back holes so that you're connecting the front and back sides. Once you get to the next to the last hole from the corner, you can remove your plastic needle, and then you will check to make sure that your ribbon tails on the beginning and end are about the same length. You can adjust them by pulling on the lacing. Lace your next ribbon through the eye of your needle and turn your fabric 1/4 counterclockwise and repeat your running stitch up and down through all the holes until you reach the next to the last corner. Then turn your fabric 1/4 counterclockwise again and again. Do your running stitch until you reach the next to the last hole. This is your third side completed. Now turn your fabric 1/4 clockwise. We're going to tie double knots in the 2 corners where the adjacent ribbons meet. You can make pretty double knotted bows. Remove all the plastic clips. Take your pillow form and insert it into the open side, the 4th open side of your pillowcase. Line up the holes on the top and bottom of the open side and secure with plastic clips that you just removed. Lining up these holes and clipping this side will make it easier for you to lace up the final side with the pillow form inside. Repeat lacing the 4th side with a new ribbon, starting in the corner hole that was not yet laced. Go top down through the corner hole and up and down through all holes until you reach the next to the last hole in the opposite corner. Now you can tie double knotted bows in the last 2 corners. And your beautiful fleece pillow is complete. Happy crafting! Adaptive Mitsy Kit Crafting for All.